Right, back we go doing some videos. It is February 18th, Thursday. Market's kind of choppy. We're down 100 in NASDAQ, 17, minus 17 on the S&P. So a lot of these moves have made very large moves like these stocks, and we're seeing where they're going now. What's the next move? JAGX. All right, 63 million float JAGX, 330 million market cap. Jaguar Health signs memorandum of understanding with the lead sponsor of Planned Dragon SPAC pursuing listing on AIM Italia. I'm not sure exactly what all that means, but looks like they're in the SPAC area. They develop gastrointestinal products for human prescription use in animals worldwide. Clinical stage company. Now, I talked about this one too the other day. I said, watch this 250 line. I said, watch this 250 line. And I said, it's forming a descending triangle. See this? Look at this, back and forth. But the high is getting lower. And the low, really put the low, I can make that like 275. We're right here, just under that. See that? So we have the move back and forth. And this looks like, once you have a move up and you're consolidating right here, see, we didn't get straight down. So that was a very good sign. So this busted and moved right over, trying to see here. This is all pre-market 8 all the way to 360. Then it flattened out a little bit. But again, look at my video a few days ago. My videos last like month, maybe 2 months. Check these stocks. I've been all over these, probably like 70%. Back and forth, explodes up here. Pull back a little bit, but this is exactly what you want on a high to low, and this low holding trying to work its way up now. So, I think we can get back to 425 on this. There's your support. Look at all these wicks. So JAGX looking very strong. Tnxp, 156 million float, 597 million market cap. No news recently. Clinical stage bio focused on discovering, acquiring, developing, manufacturing, licensing small molecules, treat human diseases, alleviate suffering. We've done this one. And look at this one. This is to a T. That's why these lines are so important. Remember I said this, here, third line, fourth, fifth right here. Right at this 2 level. So you knew that from before. That's why I draw these lines out. They're there. You knew this was going to happen. I mean, it can break it, but I'm saying that's an important line. That's a significant line. So this comes up. 4 down bars. Now look at this, red bars. It's touching 13. 20, it bounced right up. So this 140 is very key. This doesn't hold tomorrow, next week, it can fade, anywhere 1 to 120. Starting to fade stochastics a little bit. We'll see if this is a pullback. See here, and then we bounce our way back up to 2. So the target again is 2. This 2 level is huge. So, we'll see here. I did this before, and it rolled back pretty far. It's just an in-between decision right now. We're going to break up. We're going to fall back. The key area is right now. All right, Histo. Done this one before too. 9.98 million float, 42 million market cap. Histogen announces week 26 HST001 study results for treatment of androgenic alopecia in men. Regenerative medicine company. Therapies based on cells grown under similar embryonic conditions. This is kind of a different company. Take this line out here. And this one I called too. I said, watch this big wedge. This big falling wedge in this. I mean, this is another call. My calls have been unbelievable. And because, not that, I'm perfect or anything, but I know the patterns. I knew this was a falling wedge eventually would break up. And you had this weird gap down right here. It was like a fake out. You're like, oh, it's going to break out. It went even lower. And then look, it went from here and they pushed it up. 80, 150, found support. And then broke all the way up to 190. Pull back again. You can draw a line here. See it dive deep back right here. The 20 EMA and bounce right up from that 130 level. Big volume today too. It's very strong. And this dip down, the dip down below was like this 130. Look at these little wicks. And then we went up and then we exploded. So I like this too. And watch this one right over, pretty much this 175, 225 here. See this 225 level? Right here is this 225. Right now it's trying to get over this 175. It's battling. So I'm looking for this 225 target, and then we'll see what happens here. I very much like this long. It's looking very good on Pisto. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Gamma Trades. Smash the like button. And what else here? Stock Twits, Mike Gamma Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. TikTok, Mike Frank I. Twitter, Mike J Trades. And leave comments. Anything on the stocks that you have information, I'm just going over it real fast. I'm looking at general news. If you have anything that helps, it's always positive to know. All right, that's it. I'm going to go shovel because it snowed in Philadelphia again. Why didn't I move to Florida or overseas somewhere like Southeast Asia? It's just very miserable here in the Northeast. That's it. I'll be back for more videos later. Peace.